Okay, another hot topic for creating a revival in your home as well as your kitchen is your cleaning products that you use. There are so many toxic junk chemicals, harsh crap that's out there that's cheap and easy, and so it's just everywhere. Like you can just, it's at every freaking store, right? So of course you're like, I'm just gonna get that. They are terrible. They're made with terrible stuff. I would like for those to be tossed out as well. You know my theory about, pull what's bad, use it up, and then replace it with something good. So we're going to be talking about all of our cleaners that we use for our windows and our sinks and our toilets and our laundry and our counters and all that kind of stuff. So living cleaner in the home, brand new workbook with some of my old recipes, but a lot of things have been updated to include some other ideas and stuff like that I've been implementing and stuff and changing in my own house. So download that below. Let me know with a toilet emoji or a kitchen emoji or something like it. Let's do a toilet emoji that you listened to this video, you downloaded the workbook, and you're going to start cleaning out some of those things. So I want the emoji and a picture of any of the junk that you found for our living cleaner in the home.